Genesis says God separated light from darkness, but the original Hebrew reveals a chaos so dense physics couldn't exist there. What if the deep wasn't just water, but a cosmic singularity, and creation was the first Big Bang? Let's look at the text without Sunday school glasses, the very first words of reality. Genesis 1:1-2. In the beginning God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was tohu vabohu, formless and void, and darkness was over the face of the tehom, the deep. Tohu vabohu, it doesn't mean empty, it means chaotic, unordered, meaningless. Tehom, the deep, comes from the same root as the Babylonian goddess Tiamat, representing primordial, chaotic waters. This is the Bible describing the cosmic soup before physics, a state of ultimate potential and instability. Then verse 3, and God said, "Let there be light." Not sunlight. The sun isn't created until day 4. This is the first electromagnetic energy, the first photon erupting into the chaotic medium. This is the moment of symmetry breaking, the cosmic inflation that scientists call the Big Bang. Now consider day 2. God separates the waters above from the waters below with a rakia, a firmament. Ancient cosmology saw this as a solid dome. But the root word means to hammer out, like a metalworker expanding a sheet. What if this is describing the rapid expansion of space-time itself? Here's the most radical connection. In Job 38, God boasts of his power over creation. Listen to this, Job 38:31-33. Can you bind the chains of the Pleiades or loose the cords of Orion? Do you know the ordinances of the heavens? Can you establish their rule on the earth? Chains and cords binding star clusters. Today we call that gravity. The ordinances of the heavens are the laws of physics. God is describing cosmic mechanics. So, when Genesis says he gathered the waters into one place to form dry land, could that be describing planetary accretion, the gravitational pull that forms a planet from cosmic debris? So, did Genesis predict black holes? Not by name, but it described their birthplace, a primordial chaos of unimaginable density, tohu vabohu, into which God spoke order, light, and law, the very forces that would later collapse stars into singularities.